In today's video, we're going to try to answer, does shaving your legs help to dissipate heat from your body while running? Let us investigate. Hi, Hector Strada here, and welcome to today's Aztec Athletics Q&A. As of lately, I've been seeing that a lot more of my subscribers have been asking a lot of questions. One of the reasons that I make these videos is because I like to talk, and I'm a very blabbermouth, descriptive type of person.
So Hector, do you feel younger, or do you feel that being a dad is...
I feel like an old man. I feel like an old man. Should I have me a cane and some spectacles?
Just borrow my glasses.
I can see again. Thank you. Thank you.
Sometimes when I'm responding to these comments, it ends up being a poof, big paragraph. It made me think, well, why don't you just make a video to respond? That's a pretty good idea. Who would have thunk? So if you have any questions, feel free to throw them in the comment section below. And as it is, it's going to take me a minute to get through these. There's a lot of questions and not a lot of time since I'm always working. So this is a great way to, boom, make it sweet, to the point, and get your questions answered. As you can see, today is Monday, April 9th, and today I worked 11 hours and 18 minutes. That's why you might see a little bit of bags under my eyes. Okay, enough randomness, so let's do this. This question was asked by Linus Poteen, and the conversation and thread started as, "Why do you shave your legs, bro? Lol." To which Linus Poteen asks, "Beside the fact that some people find it more aesthetically pleasing, doesn't it help you with dissipating the heat from your body?" Well, Linus, this is something that I honestly never even thought about, but let's give it a jab anyways. Let's first talk about moisture wicking clothes. Clothes such as this one are made up of this material that is very good at absorbing your sweat. Wait, pause before I continue. My wife just put clothes in the dryer and it's making a crap load of noise. Much better. Where were we? Moisture wicking clothes are designed to absorb the sweat from your body. The removal of this sweat helps you so you don't get any kind of rashes, such as in your armpit area. It helps so that you later don't smell funky. Yes, this will smell funky, but you won't smell as funky. And most importantly, it keeps you cooler. But have you ever wondered, how does it keep you cooler? That is achieved through convection. If you look up convection, the definition is the movement caused within a fluid by the tendency of hotter and therefore less dense material to rise, and colder, denser materials to sink under the influence of gravity, which consequently results in the transfer of heat. That's fantastic. What does that mean? Well, my dear lad, to explain it in simple terminology, convection occurs when these hotter molecules go up in exchange for cooler molecules that come back down into the liquid, which will cause the dissipation of heat over time. All right, enough of the fancy talk. That just means this is going to get cooler. Hot molecules in the wah-wah goes into the air, and cooler molecules in the air go into the wah-wah. Let's go back to the clothing example. We'll switch out the wah-wah with sweat from your moisture wicking clothes, and the same exact process of hot molecules go into the air from your sweat, and then after it's cooler molecules go back into your moisture wicking material, which causes you to cool off. Yes, a very happy runner. Going on to the third point as a fun fact, that's the reason why your mother always told you when you're outside in the rain and you come back inside, she tells you right away, "Hey, my son, take off those wet clothes or you're going to get sick." Why did she say that? She said that because your wet clothes are going to attract the colder air molecules, which in turn is going to cause your body temperature to go down and you may get a cold. Oh. now I know why she said that. Sometimes mothers know what they're talking about. But between you and me, she's always right. Doesn't matter how sound your argument is, you're always wrong. Let's talk about the fourth point, animal fur. We've got these little tiny hairs that do a very poor job at keeping us warm, which is why we wear coats to stay warm in cold weather. Which, by the way, it's April and it was snowing today.
Only in Michigan. Snowing in April. Seriously?
Only in Michigan. Now, if you look at our furry little friends, their animal fur is the complete contrary. It's nice and long and bunched together, which helps to keep them nice and warm. I think I'm just gonna do this for the rest of the video. Is that okay? Okay.
Not okay.
Okay. Bye, Luna. Cat fur. Let's bring all those points together and I'll give my answer to this question. I believe the more covered up that your sweat is, the harder it is for those cooler air molecules to come in and exchange out with those hotter molecules in your sweat. What are some potential barriers? Well, when we think about it this way, if you look at your leg hair, all of those hairs, and especially if you have longer leg hair, is protecting your legs in a sense. It's actually diverting the airflow so that it's harder for the air to get to your skin surface. I believe that's one check mark to yes, it does cool your legs off more. As we talked earlier about the animal fur for the same exact purpose of having more hair will help to retain more heat. Again, that's a second check mark to yes, less hair will keep you cooler. Another example that just came to mind is when you're out running, are your legs warmer or colder when you're wearing sweatpants as opposed to shorts? Typically, if it's a hotter day out, your legs feel like they're roasting in the jogging pants. Again, we come to the same point of less air contact on your skin surface, which reduces that convection process of cooling off your sweat, which will in turn cool you off. My final thoughts are, yes, I believe that shaving will help you to reduce the body heat while running. But it's an interesting conversational topic. So, what is your opinion? Do you think that shaving your legs helps to reduce body heat while running? Or is the impact just minimal and it doesn't really matter and it's just more so aesthetically pleasing? We may never officially know.
Well, all right. That was the long-winded answer to that question. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And
knock it out, champ, and keep on running. I am currently in the process of writing down my quick video notes. Oops. I forgot for a second there how to spell video. Video notes.